Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for tech tips and tutorials. Ready to unlock even more from your Android experience? Let's dive into how to use Android apps on your computer. Because who says your favorite mobile apps have to stay on your phone? Let us get started. Download BlueStacks. Open your browser, head over to BlueStacks and click that shiny download button. It is like inviting a friend who knows all the secret Android tricks but won't borrow your Wi-Fi. 2. Install BlueStacks. Find the file in your Downloads folder. It is probably sitting there feeling lonely. Double-click it. Follow the instructions, and there it is. You are officially on your way to Android wizardry. 3. Log in with your Google account. Launch BlueStacks, and when it asks for your Google credentials, don't panic. It is not trying to steal your identity. It just wants to make sure you are not a robot. Log in, and you are golden. 4. Access the Google Play Store. Now for the moment of truth, click on the Play Store icon and browse apps like a kid in a candy shop. Except this candy is all digital and you don't have to worry about cavities. You can download the app and start playing and using the apps that you have downloaded. To use Android apps in your computer, you will usually see a prompt or option depending on your setup. For example, Windows 11 may guide you to install the Amazon App Store. If you are using an emulator like BlueStacks, just open it, sign in with your Google account, and you will see app options appear automatically. And that's it. That is how to use Android apps on your computer. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.